Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have an Easter wreath DIY for you today. These are $5 at Dollar Tree Plus. They are a great grapevine wreath form of a bunny rabbit with chicken wire on the back. I'm going to spray paint mine outside real quick with some khaki just to lighten it up a little bit. It was a little dark for what I was going for, which is coastal. I also painted the chicken wire on the back, which kind of makes it look a little bit like fishing net. I thought that was cut fun. Now for the neck of the bunny rabbit, I want to decorate it with some Dollar Tree flowers. These are like a mint green, like lily, and I thought they looked nice and coastal with this color. And so I just hot gluing the stem down into the grapevine right there in the center. And then I'm going to do another two, one on each side, just hot gluing those down in there as secure as I can get them. I do go back here in a little bit and add another flower to the middle to kind of make that a little bit larger and more centered. Now I want to do a coastal theme with this, so I picked up some seashells from Dollar Tree, but you can always use whatever you have from the beach. And I kind of want to do a variety. I noticed that when you buy a bag of these from the Dollar Tree, sometimes you get all the same kind of shell, like these scallop shells. But I want different colors, different shapes, so I'm going to kind of go in my shell stash from the beach and kind of pick out some different ones to give me a little bit of variety. But what I want to do is basically line both of the wreaths with seashells and all about the same size, nothing too big that's going to hang over the edges or anything like that. And then once I get it laid out just how I want it, I can start attaching these. I'm just going to glue them on with hot glue. It hasn't been extremely hot. Well, today was. Today was almost 90 here in Florida. But I'm going to use hot glue, and they seem to be holding up just fine. So I'm going to hot glue these on. Once I put hot glue on the seashell, I'm pushing it down into the grapevine and holding it to hopefully make the seal stronger. And I do that all along the bottom wreath form. Now, if you can't find this wreath form at the Dollar Tree, it'd be really easy to recreate if you could get two grapevine wreaths that were two different sizes, but it's probably going to cost you a little bit more because $5 for all of these wreath forms and the chicken wire on the back is just a really good value. So for the top here, I'm doing about 4 seashells. On the bottom, I did 6 because that was like a bigger part. And I didn't want to stop there. I thought it'd be really cute to also decorate like the grapevine bunny ears. They are a lot smaller though, but Dollar Tree also has these little tiny seashells. These are the ones that come in the little glass bottles at Dollar Tree, and they are small. So I thought it'd be cute to kind of continue the seashell theme on the smaller parts of the wreath with smaller seashells. You know, I can make just about anything coastal, including Easter. So I picked out a variety of these, and I'm just kind of scattering them around, hot gluing those to the wreath form as well. I thought about adding flowers to the chicken wire part to the back, but I'm kind of glad that I only did the neck here. This is me adding the second one to make that a little larger, just because it lets the seashells and stuff like that shine a little bit as well. It's already got a hanger on the back. It's ready to go, and I think it's really fun and coastal for Easter. If you'd like more Easter or Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. Until then, happy crafting.